As you begin this walk, allow yourself to arrive here, not only with your body, but with your attention. You do not need to walk in any special way. You do not need to force calm. Simply notice that you are here, walking through the forest, one step at a time. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the quiet contact of each step, the gentle shift of weight, heel, sole, toes. Let your pace become a little slower, not too slow, just natural, easy, a pace that lets the forest come closer. Notice the air around you. Perhaps it feels cool on your face, perhaps damp, fresh, moving gently across your skin. With your next breath, notice the scent of the forest: soil, leaves, bark, green life. There is nothing you need to solve right now, nothing you need to become, just this path, this breath, this step. Let your eyes rest softly on what is ahead: the shapes of trees, the spaces between branches, the changing light. You may notice shadows on the path, small movements in the leaves, the quiet pattern of the forest floor. Bring your attention back to walking, one foot touching the earth, then the other. A simple rhythm, a steady rhythm. Each step can be an anchor. Each step can bring you back. You are not trying to empty the mind. Thoughts may come and go. Plans, memories, small worries. Let them pass through like wind moving between the trees. And when you notice you have drifted away, gently return to the feeling of walking, the pressure beneath your feet, the movement in your legs, the breath in your body. Listen now, not searching for any sound, just receiving. Perhaps birds, leaves moving, branches creaking, your footsteps, your breath, a distant sound beyond the forest. Let every sound belong. Nothing has to be pushed away. The forest makes room for all of it. And you can make room too. Feel your shoulders. Let them soften. Feel your jaw. Let it loosen. Feel your hands. Let them rest naturally. You are supported by the simple act of walking. The forest does not ask you to hurry. The trees do not measure your progress. The path does not need you to be anything other than here. Continue walking, slowly, naturally, with quiet attention. Notice color, the deep greens, the browns, the gray of stone or bark, the soft gold of light, if it is there. Notice texture, rough bark, soft moss, dry leaves, damp earth. Notice movement, a branch swaying, a leaf falling, the rise and fall of your breath. Let the forest remind you that life can move without rushing. If your mind feels busy today, that is okay. Let the forest hold some of that busyness. Let the ground take some of the weight. With each step, you return. With each breath, you soften. There is nowhere else you need to be in this moment. Even if the day continues after this, for now, you are here. Walking, breathing, listening. Let there be a little more silence now, a little more space. Stay with your steps. Stay with the forest. And now, gently notice your whole body walking. Feet touching the earth. Legs moving. Arms resting or swinging. Chest breathing. Eyes open to the path. You are part of this moment, not separate from it. The air around you, the ground beneath you, the trees beside you. Take one slower breath and let it leave naturally. As this meditation comes toward a close, you do not need to leave the calm behind. Let it walk with you, quietly, simply. Carry the steadiness of the trees, the softness of the path, the space between sounds.